Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times.
Hi, I'm Jasmine and welcome to my channel. I'm glad to have you here. So today's video, as you can see, is all about the new MacBook. So I was looking on YouTube before I made this purchase to try to find a video that spoke about the perks of having a MacBook and what the pros and cons were compared to getting like the MacBook Air. So this video is not gonna be very techy at all. I am not a professional tech guru. All the questions you guys wanna know are what the cost is. Is the warranty worth it? What do you need to add on for this laptop to work? So I previously had the MacBook Pro. This is ancient, guys. I can't even open it up. It's literally lasted me for 8 years. So this laptop held me through all of college and then work. So 8 years of this laptop, and it was time to invest in a new one. So unfortunately, I knew that the perks of having the MacBook Pro was that I had all these options here, with having the option for my camera card, having the USB, having the other options to charge my laptop all at the same time. But the MacBook didn't do that, and so that was one of the reasons why I was kind of like hesitant on buying it. But I have to tell you guys that I'm so glad that I did. I mean, look at the size difference. This is my new MacBook, and it is rose gold, super slim. This is actually 12 inches, for those wondering what size this is. This is what the inside looks like compared to the MacBook Pro that I had. So the first thing I have to say is that I actually purchased the college package. So this is what the college package looks like, okay? You get the laptop and you get also a set of Beats Solo 3 wireless headphones, okay? They come in rose gold, they come in space gray, they come in gold, and white as well as black. And then of course the MacBook gives you the variety of colors. You can get space gray, a lighter gray, gold, and then this rose gold color. So I did the college student discount because I'm back in school again, and I spent a total of $1,568.38. So to me, I will say that for some people that they might think that that's a lot. I personally don't have a problem with investing in tech products, especially that I know that I'm gonna be using, because for example, my old Mac product lasted me 8 years and it still works. It's just that it was definitely running slow and it needed a major update for it to work as fast as this MacBook that I now have is working. So it was time. It literally was time. I think it ran its course and I'm glad that I now have this option to use to last me another 8+ years. I also got the Apple Care warranty, which lasts for about 2 to 3 years. I have to double check on that. I think it's 2 years. That, let me tell you, is such a key thing to have. I know some people question about getting it. I would highly suggest for you to get it, because when I actually had my original laptop in college, I had dropped it one time and the screen went black, and I had to take it back to Mac to get fixed. Or Apple, excuse me. I took it back to Apple to get fixed. They did fix it, and the second time that I dropped it, the motherboard had to be replaced or something like that. It was some drive, something had to be replaced, and they were able to fix it. So if I had not had Apple Care, I would have had to pay for both times that I had these incidents happen. And with the Apple Care coverage, I didn't have to. So I would highly suggest to get it. I think it's an extra $199 just for you to have that extra coverage, even though it lasts for I think 3 years. But within that 3-year time span, anything can happen. You never know, and it will save you a lot of money, trust me. This is something that I purchased extra aside from my laptop from Amazon. I did not purchase this from Apple. I purchased this from Amazon for about $10 to $12, and it's called a Type-C reader and hub. This is what the box looks like. And it states that it comes with 5 ports. So it gives me the option to put in my camera card. It gives me the option to also add a smaller card, which usually is what you put inside your cell phone. It also has 2 USB ports, and then it has this other port here, which is for a charger. And I found this to be very helpful. It just pops right in the side of my laptop like so. Just pop it in, ta-da! And now I have all of those same pieces that I had on my original MacBook Pro on here. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, that was something that I really was having a hard time deciding about when trying to make the purchase between getting the MacBook or the MacBook Air. And so I wanted something smaller. I knew that. I did not want to have another laptop the same size as the one that I already had originally with the MacBook Pro. I wanted something small. I wanted something thin and compact that I could easily slide into my bag or into my purse, and that was lightweight. This thing is so light, it almost feels like it's not even a laptop. It feels like it could be an iPad. A lot of you guys probably want to know what's inside the box. Now, unfortunately, I already unboxed the laptop because I could not wait, but I will show you. So I showed you what the box looks like, but inside it comes with, of course, instructions. You got your little instruction manual of how to use it, and then you also get the Mac charger. Now this is just 2 pieces. It comes with this little port here. The port is much smaller, as you guys can see. It's called the Type-C port, so very different from the old MacBook charger. If you're trying to decide between choosing whether you should get the MacBook Air or the MacBook based on just having those ports, if you're someone that doesn't mind taking that piece that I showed you guys, that Type-C piece, if you don't mind putting this in and out your computer whenever you need it, then I would say just go with the MacBook. It has Retina display, which the MacBook Air does not have, giving you better visibility for your pictures and photos, especially if you're someone that takes a lot of photos like me, or wants to do more video editing online for YouTube or what have you. You're gonna get much better picture specs with the MacBook than the MacBook Air. So that's something that I recognize. And then also within doing my research, what I noticed was that the MacBook Air hadn't been updated in a couple of years. So it's still running off the same, not system, because of course they have like cell phones have the iOS, they have the updates, but it's still running off the same criteria of how the laptop came out is what it still is doing. So there hasn't really been any significant changes in the laptop. I can tell you also it's 256 GB. That's the gigabytes that I got for the laptop, and that is enough space for me. And again, if I want to have more space, all I have to do is just buy an extra hard drive. So I mentioned that the Beats Solo 3 wireless headphones also come with the college student package. Now this discount has actually ended. It ended on, I believe, September 30th or somewhere around in there. It comes with this little package of the headphones. I love this little bag. It's so cute, and I can actually clip this onto my bag. So the headphones are super cute. They come with the headphone cord that you can actually hook up to your phone so that it's not wireless, and then also the cord to charge it. And it just fits really nicely in this little pack that I usually keep in my purse or my school bag. If you have not had a chance to check out my Get Ready With Me video for my school routine or with my school routine, definitely check that out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button below. And if you're just coming back again for another video, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. I look forward to seeing you in another video. Bye.